The city has been like a prison. We are all locked down with Corona. November has been grey and rainy. We didn't see the sun. And now it's December, and it's been pretty much the same. However, this morning, I see a little gold in the sky and fly up above the roofs and see the skyline of Copenhagen. When you live in a city, you need ways to escape. And when the city gates are locked, and you have to live between the houses, prison-like, you won't survive.
And here on standby
if you can't use your imagination. You won't survive. We need to dream and walk with the hope of making the day a little magic
and less grey.
I do it in my rooftop. Up here, I try to work with this time we got.
Or forgot. Time we lost. In the sky, my precious little dragon eye in the sky.